him. He's going to pull up to the left. Light the engine on. You see the flames coming out the back. I want to point out, you know, for the march for the sin, 8, well, even more. How many G's negative, John? How about 3 negative G's, which is 3 times, like, putting down a merry-go-round upside down. It makes all the blood go to your head. About 9.5 G's positive. So realize when John gets in, anybody gets in one of these aerobatic type aircraft, they put a seatbelt on, and the second one over that has a ratchet system, and they ratchet it down, they crank it down all across that hip bone structure, literally welding him into the aircraft so he's not thrown around and beat up in the aircraft. And that's just, if you become one with the aircraft, do you not? Ralph, what did you say? So, yeah, you have to do this now. And I have a negative G belt, so it'll go catapulting outside of the airplane. That would be kind of a bonus. But, all right, so, hey, Sue, Ben, and Paul here, they wanted to say hi, so give them a shout out. Hey, Ben, go over to the Hangar 24 truck. We'll see you guys later. All right, thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, John Melody from Hangar 24 Craft Brewery in Redlands, California. Keep your memories of March Field Centennial Celebration alive. As I mentioned earlier, they've got a beautiful, beautiful, colorful, glossy stock program package for $10.